Here's a lineup of some of the ingredients: Scotch bonnet pepper, dried thyme leaves, dried rosemary leaves, vegetable oil, garlic and ginger, and some red onions. Let's blend our spice mix. Blend till smooth. This is how our spice mix should look when blended. Now, let's marinate the chicken. Massage the spice mix on the chicken. Flip the chicken to the other side. And repeat the same process. We will add our seasoning cube and salt. Set the chicken aside, let it marinate. While the chicken is marinating, let's make this pepper sauce for garnishing. It consists of Scotch bonnet pepper, red bell peppers and red onion. On a hot pan, add a little vegetable oil, some Saison everything mix. Add the pepper mix. Sprinkle some paprika. Seasoning cube. Some salt to taste, optional. In a small bowl, add some Suya. Add some vegetable oil. Mix. Using an air fryer or an oven, we will grill the chicken for about 10 minutes. Stop the air fryer briefly, apply the Suya spice plus vegetable oil mix on all the parts of the chicken. Put it back in the air fryer to grill for another 5 minutes. And our chicken Suya should look like this once it's out of the grill, but guess what? We're not done, guys. We will deep fry the chicken for about 2 minutes. And our chicken Suya is ready. This recipe is the best, guys, so delicious. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more.